Read the letter. Date, greeting, body, closing, name. Drag and match the correct section with the numbers. Read the letter again. Answer the questions. Who is the letter to? Who is the letter from? Ismail, Kajol. Who is Kajol's new friend? Shumon is Kajol's new friend. Where is his new friend from? His new friend is from Bogura. What sport does Kajol play with his friend? Kajol plays cricket with his friend. What is the name of his friend's sister? The name of his friend's sister is Mira. Read the letter again. Underline all the capital letters and circle the punctuation marks in your exercise book.